Now, see this question, the first one already we did one type, same type in the last class, so you can do it yourself. Find the maximum value of this function in the interval 1, 3. The same logic, you have to find the critical points, and addition to that critical points, you have to add the end points, and at those points find the values of the function, and whatever the maximum value you will get, that will be the maximum value of the function, and whatever the minimum value you will get, that will be the minimum value of the function. Okay. And now one more question of this type. It is given that at x is equal to 1, the function attains a maximum value in the interval 0 to 1. Find the value of a. So at x is equal to 1, it attains the maximum value, matlab, what will be the meaning? At
So
x is,
local maxima.
yeah, it may be a local maximum, or in that particular interval, that may be a maximum value also, we don't know. It is a closed interval. They are telling about the closed interval. So हो सकते है उस पॉइंट में फंक्शन का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू भी हो सकते हैं, we don't know. So anyway, derivative should be 0. At x is equal to 1, f of x attains maximum implies f dash 1 is equal to 0. That is the meaning. F dash 1 is equal to 0. So f dash x, f dash x is equal to 4x square my, sorry, 4x cube minus 62 into 2, 124x plus a. So f dash 1 is equal to 0 implies, so 1 de dena, that means 4 minus 124 plus a is equal to 0. That means minus 120 plus a is equal to 0. That means a is equal to 120. That's all. Now, okay, this is the type of question for exams, 6 mark के लिए. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter. So एक square piece is there, square piece. उसका side the 18 centimeter, and is made into a box without top by cutting square from each corner. हर corner से एक स्क्वायर कट करेगा, सेम साइज का स्क्वायर. ऐसे स्क्वायर कट करके चारों साइड से स्क्वायर कट किया. देन ये वाला पोर्शन फ्लिप करेंगे, जैसे ये ऊपर फोल्ड करेंगे इतना एरिया. इतने एरिया फोल्ड ऊपर फोल्ड करेंगे तो आपको एक बॉक्स मिले. कैन यू इमेजिन दैट? यू हैव टू फोल्ड इट अप. चारों साइड ऐसे फोल्ड अप कर देना. सो इट विल बिकम ए बॉक्स. कैन यू इमेजिन दैट? आई थिंक इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक ऐसे बॉक्स शेप में आएगा. टॉप ओपन. Let me see. Cutting. Okay. So what should be the side of the square to be cut off? That is what we need to find out. What should be the side of the square to be cut off? Side of the square to be cut off. So that the volume of the box is maximum possible. So that is what I told you. We have to make a formula which is to be maximized or minimized. So we have to find the volume of the box. Say V of X. So what is the volume of the box? It should be length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. And tell me what is the length, what is the breadth, and what is the height. So question is, कौन सा side का square, like how, what should be the side of the square to be cut off from each corner, so that the volume of the box formed is maximum. So we don't know, so we can take it as let x सेंटीमीटर. हम x सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर कट कर रहे हैं चारों साइड से. x सेंटीमीटर का स्क्वायर. सो ऐसे कट करेंगे तो व्हाट विल बी द लेंथ ऑफ दैट रिमेनिंग बॉक्स? What will be the length of the remaining box?
18 minus 2x.
18 minus 2x. क्योंकि दोनों साइड से x चला गया इधर से x चला गया, इधर भी x चला गया. So बाकी 18, this will be the length. This much is the length here. That will be 18 minus 2x. What is the breadth? Breadth is here. It is same thing. It is square there, so it is same thing. 18 minus 2x. And what is the height?
X.
X, because this here is the height, like you can see. This will become the height here. That will become, when you fold it up, that will become the height. So height is equal to x. So here you got all. So I told you yesterday, sometimes you may get the formula in terms of more than one variable. वैसे है तो आपको उसको एक ही वेरिएबल में करना था, बट इधर ऐसे कुछ नहीं, डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला मिला है. So 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x into x. You can multiply that, or without multiplication also you can find the derivative, but it will be better to multiply. A minus b the whole square is a square. It is up to you. Like the next thing is, next step is for maximum or minimum derivative is 0. That is the next step. So we have to, okay, I'm going to simplify this. 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x is a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square is a square, 18 square, 324 minus 2ab. 18 into 2, 36, 36 into 2, 72x plus 4x square into x. So which is equal to, that is 4x cube minus 72x square plus 324x. If you want, you can take 4 common. 4 into x cube minus 12x square. The 4x you can take common if you want. 4 common. So 4 into x cube minus 18x square. 1 4 is 4, remainder 332. 18x square plus 81x. So now अभी ये वॉल्यूम मैक्सिमम, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बॉक्स इज मैक्सिमम, वॉल्यूम मैक्सिमम होना चाहिए, वॉल्यूम मैक्सिमम होना चाहिए. सो फॉर मैक्सिमा और मिनिमा derivative dv by dx should be 0, because maximum or minimum exist only at the critical points. So we have to find the critical points. So now dv by dx is equal to 4 constant. It is 3x square minus 18 into x square का derivative 2x, so 18 into 2, 36x plus 81. Now dv by dx is equal to 0 implies 4 into that expression is equal to 0, but 4 cannot be 0. That means 3x square minus 36x plus 81 is equal to 0. I think you can divide with the 3 also. X square minus 12x plus 27 is equal to 0. That means you have to factorize it. Two numbers, you have to find the product is 27 and sum is minus 12. So minus 3 and minus 9. So x is equal to 9 comma 3. So you got 2 points. But x cannot be 9, because if you cut square of 9 centimeter from both sides, what will happen? 9 plus 9, 18 centimeter means पूरा paper चला जाएगा, because total length of side is equal to 18 centimeter only. So you cannot cut 9. So therefore x is equal to 3. ऐसे भी कोई point नहीं उधर derivative does not exist करके. So the critical point is 3. So now we got the point x का, इसका मतलब directly ऐसे नहीं है कि x is equal to 3 होगा करके, but now x is equal to 3, there are 3 options. It may be a local maximum, it may be a local minimum, or it may be a point of inflection. Now it's our responsibility to prove that it is a local maximum. So for that you can use second derivative test or first derivative test, but it is better to use second derivative test, that is more easier. So you have to find the second derivative, d square v by dx square. And if you use first derivative test, nothing will happen, you will get the marks. There is nothing like that. But it is easy to use second derivative test. So d square v by dx square. So 4 into 4 constant, either dv by dx is here. So 4 into 3x square, that is 3 into 2x, 6x minus 36. So हमें d square v by dx square at x is equal to 3 हमारे critical point में, which is equal to 4 into 6 into 3, 18 minus 36. So 18 minus 36 is negative. Negative into a 4, that is negative, that is less than 0. So this इसका मतलब है at x is equal to 3, volume is maximum. Volume is maximum. तो हमने पहले वॉल्यूम जो मैक्सिमाइज करना था, नहीं तो जो मिनिमाइज करना था, उसके लिए फॉर्मूला बनाया. देन मैक्सिमम चाहिए तो भी, मिनिमम चाहिए तो भी, दैट विल बी एट द क्रिटिकल आई एम सॉरी क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स ओनली. देन सो वी फाउंड द क्रिटिकल पॉइंट. क्रिटिकल पॉइंट मिला है, उसका डायरेक्ट मीनिंग ऐसे नहीं उसी पॉइंट में मैक्सिमम होगा करके. उस पॉइंट में 3 ऑप्शन है. लोकल मैक्सिमम हो सकते हैं, लोकल मिनिमम हो सकते हैं, और पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन भी हो सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स ओनली चेंजिंग इट्स कॉन्केविटी. So now the rest is we have to prove that it is maximum there. So we found the second derivative. You can also use the first derivative test. Second derivative nikala, and at that particular point the second derivative ka value nikala, and that is negative. So second derivative ka value at a particular point less than 0, so that means at that point the volume is, or function value is maximum. So that is the first answer. First question, what should be the side of the square should be cut off. So the side is, that means you have to, that means we have to cut off a square of side 3 centimeter from each corner. इधर मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम क्या है करके पूछा नहीं. अगर उन्होंने पूछा व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम, maximum volume, in this question it is not asked, but if they ask the maximum volume, here is the formula for volume. So उसमें से substitute कर देना, 4 into x is नहीं तो भी कट करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा, डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करो. 18 minus 2x, 18 minus 2x मतलब 2 into 3 6, 18 minus 6 12, right? 12 into 12 into 3, isn't it? 12 into 12 into 3. Right? 12 into 12 into 3, that is 432 cubic centimeter. So in this question, they didn't ask for the maximum volume, but we found it. So the square of side 3 centimeter should be cut from each corner, and then the maximum volume will be 432 cubic unit. Okay, understood? So these types of question will come for 6 mark, and these types of questions are the most important question from this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask. If no doubt, then we'll go to the next question. Okay, show that the right circular cylinder of given surface area and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. So हमें ये proof करना है, show that the right circular cylinder, उसका surface area, given surface means surface area is given. इसका given surface मतलब surface area is given, मतलब surface area is constant. That means, for example, just for say surface area is equal to 60 centimeter square, ऐसे surface area तो fix किया, हमें ये प्रूफ करना है कि उसका वॉल्यूम मैक्सिमम होगा. सो द थिंग विच इज टू बी, ये आपको समझने के लिए लिख रहे हैं, द थिंग विच इज टू बी maximized is volume of right circular cylinder. हमें ये प्रूफ करना है कि अभी हमें क्या प्रूफ करना है कि वॉल्यूम, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट volume is maximum when height is equal to diameter. That's the question. So surface area is given. So with the given surface area, we can have different cylinders. Like, for example, maybe cylinder is like this, or it may be like this. We don't know. Only thing is either surface area is constant, is equal to constant. Say, just मैंने example के लिए बोला 60 for some example. Either surface area is equal to 60, और ऐसे भी हो सकता है इसका लेंथ और कम कर दिया, लेंथ हाइट ज़्यादा कर दिया, ऐसे इधर भी surface area 60. So like that we can have different cylinders. In height and diameter will change, height and radius will change. So we can have different cylinders with the same surface area. We can have different cylinders with same surface area. So what the question is, out of these cylinders, the one which will have the maximum volume, or the cylinder with the maximum volume will be obtained when the height is equal to the diameter of the base. Height and diameter equal है तो उसका volume maximum होगा करके proof करना है. Did you understand the question? सबसे पहले the understanding the question is very important. The rest is very easy. आप तो response तो दे दो, तभी मुझे समझ में आएगा ना आप लोग सुन रहे करके.
सर फिर से एक बार बताइए ना, समझ में ही नहीं आया.
कौन बात की अभी? करण और कोई थे कौन?
राहुल.
Okay. We'll do this question tomorrow. I'll explain that. See, what we have to prove is show that the right circular cylinder of given surface area. Cylinder पता है, this kind of shapes are known as cylinders. Here. So उसका surface area is given. उन्होंने कितना है करके बोला नहीं. Okay, it is given. That means it is fixed. For example के लिए मैं बता रहा, let it be 60 centimeter square. जैसे we can have a triangle, जैसे area of rectangle with, suppose मैंने आपको बोला example के लिए बता रहे, area of rectangle 12 बोला. So अलग अलग rectangle हो सकते हैं ना, जैसे length 12, breadth 1, length 4, breadth 3, length 6, breadth 2. I say we can have different rectangles. Area of the rectangle, सिर्फ इतना बोला है कि area of the rectangle is 12. So we can have different rectangles. Why say surface area is fixed, surface area is constant, total surface area. So we can have different cylinders with surface area a particular number. Either for example के लिए मैंने बताया 60. Out of that cylinders, we have to prove that the one which will have the maximum volume, it is obtained when the height is equal to the diameter of the base. ठीक है, अभी टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा. I will explain this once again in tomorrow's class. ठीक है.